It differs from the previous two in the sense that the data to be loaded resides in a fixed formatted file rather than an ODBC database. I will open the file. We will need the starting and ending character positions, both inclusive, for each dimension element, which can be obtained here. I have already entered the positions needed in the Excel spreadsheet. I will close the file. Now let's begin. We must select Fixed as our format type. Click on Next. Here we can select the row delimiter. We've selected carriage return line feed and text qualifiers if any. Also the number of rows to skip if header rows are present. Now we'll enter the start and end positions. Click on Save. Now we'll load the data. Select the file from where to load. Now click on Show Data. Here is the data that we loaded. The next dimension we want to create is order date. The data to be loaded resides in delimited format. I will open the file. At the first position we have year, then quarter long, then month long. At the 6th and 7th position we have the start and end date of each month. The transaction data which we want to analyze will have been collected over a large period of time. Hence we aren't interested to know how many products were bought on this date, but we would like to know how many products were bought in this month. For us to set month as the lowest in the hierarchy and still have transaction data be coming in like this customer bought this product on this date, we need to set a range in dates to define the months. Now let's begin. Order date. We need to set the format type as delimited. It has a long label. Set month as having a range as date. It is unique and has a long label. Now click on Next. Here we have to enter the positions according to our comma separated text file. And click on Save. Now load the data. Choose our file and click on Show to see what we loaded. That completes creation of all the dimensions needed for our model. Let's begin with creation of the model. Click on Models. Give a name and description as you like. Open the model. Click to add dimensions. We are going to add all the dimensions we just created. If there were other previously created dimensions available, we could add them also. Now I will open the AdventureWorks database to show you where our transaction data resides. The transaction data is made up of the unique dimension elements of each dimension and the corresponding measures like order quantity, sales value, etc.